He just wants to play with you, that's all. Get off the counter. Hi, brother. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Hey, what are you doing? Well, there's nobody in there, so why are you knocking? Is he getting you? Is brother getting you? Do you love him? Do you love brother? Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down, Mr. Climber. You were having fun with your brother, weren't you? Yes, then why would you be over here climbing? Go play with your brother. Hey, hey, none of that is yours. Oh boy. What are you doing? What's going on? That was not nice. Oh. What's going on? Ow! Okay.